How to get Viber chat history. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can get Viber chat history. You can retrieve your Viber chat history by backing it up. For that, you need to open your Viber application on your mobile device and here make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are logged into your account, at the bottom right, you will find three dots or the more icon. Tap on this icon and once you reach to this page, tap on settings option from here. Inside settings, you will be able to see these options. Tap on account on the very top. Now here you will be able to see Viber backup option. Go ahead and tap on Viber backup in order to back up your chat history to Google Drive. Also make sure you are connected to your Google Drive in your Viber account here. Now from here you can select what you want to back up from your account. Simply tap on the circle at the right side to select them. And once you have selected them, go ahead and tap on Backup Now button at the bottom. Now give it a moment and then you will see you have successfully backed up your data. Now after doing that, whenever you reinstall Viber application on your device or any other device, you need to follow the same steps to go to Viber backup and restore the chat history. Then you will be able to restore all your chat history on your new device or in the same device. So by following the steps, you should be able to get your Viber chat history. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.